Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Having Fun Making Jewelry collaboration hosted by Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click it and check out all the other wonderful creators and see what they've made. I've been scrap lifting things here and there. This month's theme was pastel colors, and I don't have any pastel colors. I told Deb that she was like, I guess you're gonna have to go to the well, she didn't say I guess you have to go to the store. She was basically saying you don't have like these colors. But in my head, pastels kind of look like this, like lighter versions of a darker color. And I was like, I only have like dark colors. But anyway, I dug in my supplies and because I told her I'm not buying any, I'm not going to Joanna Michaels to buy no more stuff. So anyway, I'll share with you what I created. It's a sorted mix of things. So here we go. It's earrings. Of course, most of my projects will be earrings and bracelets if you haven't noticed it yet. I'm not really into the intricate jewelry making yet. I will be one day, hopefully. But it's pink, green, and blue. And let's see if I can't bring it up to you so you can see it. Yep. So I made one. That's one. Then I use this for flowers. It's springy color, right? Pastels. I really love this little purple thing. I made a video on how I made a pair of earrings. It'll be coming out after this. If you want to know, not after like today, but in a few days after this video. Pink, flower, blue, purple, and white. Then this one, I think this is my first pair. And so what, I've done something a little bit different. I normally don't like to use the head pins, but I had a small little bead right here that I can use. And if you see right here, it's like a funky shape. That's on purpose. I thought that would be cool just to have like a funky different shape. I want to try to do some bead wiring. I have a thingamajig or a jigama thing or something like that that I had purchased from my mom the year before she passed away. So it's still in the garage somewhere. I'm going to pull it out at some point and start to use it. And then here is another pair. I think these are pastel-y, right? Hopefully they pass for pastel colors. So very pretty. Most of all these jewelry pieces I would wear myself. I actually did make myself a pair, and I'll share with you that in a minute. I like this. So this right here inspired the next piece, which is this bracelet, okay? Now, it inspired the bracelet, and I was like, oh, yes, it would make a really good pair, but I didn't like this pink piece in the middle because I only had 3 of these left. So I just dug in my supplies and I pulled out the purple. So then this piece inspired these, which I think are very pretty. So this is the set that I made for myself. Although, you know, I'm not a big purple or yellow person, I think that they go well together. They look really pretty. They look really springtime, April shower type thing. And, you know, I think it looked good. And if I wear them anytime soon, I will share with you the experience that I had once I wore them. So this bracelet inspired these earrings, which inspired me to make another bracelet because I want to try a different technique, which is this bracelet. I do hope, well, I think these are all springy pastel colors, I think. I did use some wire versus the plastic that I usually don't use, the elastic. And it only has a little clasp right here, but you can take this apart and clasp it however big your wrist is or small. I did fashion it after my own wrist, so it won't, you can't slide it over your, I was going to show you, can't really slide it. I mean, you can maneuver it on if you want to, but I wouldn't risk breaking the jewelry, even though I'm pretty confident that it won't break the first time you do it, but the third or fourth time you may pluck it apart. So you definitely have to do this and clasp it down, but it's really pretty. I think green looks good on my skin. So this bracelet prompted me to make another pair of earrings. I sent Deb a message this morning and said, I think I created a monster. And here we go. So these I like a lot, although I probably wouldn't wear them. They're very light. They're not as heavy as they may look because this is all acrylic, and then you just have this piece right here. But I like those. And I may take a picture and send it to my aunt and see if she likes them, because she likes to wear stuff like this. So that is my project for this month's having fun making jewelry. So I've made 5 single pairs of earrings, or 7 pairs of earrings, and 2 bracelets, or a bracelet and an earring set, 2, and then 5 pairs of earrings. But overall, I enjoyed making them. They all have little pieces of each other. I used, I want to say 3 or 4 different types of things, but these are my favorite. And they are a little bit, they're glass, so they may be a little bit on a weighted side. I try not to put too much weight. Like this one is glass and plastic, and then this is glass, plastic, and whatever that little metal plastic probably, and these are glass and glass with a little bit of plastic. So check out everyone else in the description box, see what they created. I can't wait to see, because I am enjoying this collaboration, most of all because it's so difficult for me to create different types of jewelry. So I like to be challenged. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.